Hey there everybody. Today we're going to do an unboxing of an infrared electric heater. I got this in the mail the other day and they were just hoping to do an unboxing video. So let's go ahead and make this kind of quick. So this is not something that frames all that well due to size. Real heavy duty cord here. This is actually pretty impressive. So I've got all the items laid out. Take a quick look at the instructions, figure out how to put it together real fast. Read all the instructions. This heater is hot when it's on. Extreme caution is necessary. Do not operate the heater with a damaged cord. The heater is not intended for use in bathrooms. Do not run the cord under carpeting. Disconnect the heater. Turn off controls when remove the plug outlet. Oh, here's the assembly. So it looks like we'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, I have everything out. Got my handy dandy little bike tool. I'm going to assemble some of these pieces real quick. It's got screws, multiple different sizes. These two pieces, they just snap together. And it appears all the small screws go in the bottom. It does have a little safety pin. So if this heater tips over, this pin will pop out. It's not going to burn your house down, hopefully. So this little metal plate is gonna go on here. This thing is all assembled, pretty sturdy. And take a good bump. Look at that, there you go. These foam pieces here are going to have to come out. Let's just slide them out right now. And there it is. Haimmy Radiant Heat electric heater. Do not cover. Got this little rack, I guess, just to help make sure you don't cover it. The remote goes right in that handy dandy little holder, and it's got a little pickup handle here in the back. All those things you have to assemble. There's the cord. Let's go ahead and get this plugged in. We will take a look at what it looks like turned on. This does have to be plugged into a grounded plug. So now that it's here, let's go ahead. We're gonna turn it on with the remote. My camera will focus. There we go. So with the remote, you can decrease the heating settings. See the light dimming? Let's go a little bit closer. So all the way down. Turn it up. Look at that beautiful heat. It's pretty amazing. It's hot. There you go. The Haimmy heater. It's got a timer. So that's how long it'll run. As the green lights blink down, it's closer and closer to turning off. Now the timer's set. We can adjust the heat. See if the timer comes back on, and then the timer goes back on. See, timer doesn't change, but the heat level does. And then turn it off, goes back into standby. Fantastic. Let's turn it back on. So as you can tell, it's on. But let's move it off those pins and see what happens. Shuts right off. I don't know if you can hear that. But every time I put it back on the pin, it beeps, let you know. And that's it. Awesome little heater. When you're done, make sure you put the remote back in the bin. I hope you guys enjoyed. This little heater here I think will be pretty handy dandy when wintertime comes. Thanks for watching. Ciao.